Alright mga katrops, nandito naman tayo sa isang bahay na naman at ang location nito ay nasa Black Wolf. Alright, 347 Black Wolf Boulevard. Tara, pasukin na natin itong bahay na to. Alright, Kathleen? Good, how are you? Good. Can we take a look inside? Yeah. Yeah, let's go put our shoes over here. How much is it? $885. Oh, okay.
There is a hidden door to the basement, but the basement's not finished.
Okay.
So you know.
All right, sounds good. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, come on, wait. Don't run, no running. Wow, look at that house. It's big.
It's massive.
Ooh.
There's another washroom.
There's a washroom over here. Hey, no. It's big, eh? It's big. Look at this. This is dining area, mga katrobs. Oh wow, look at look at this ceiling, mga katrobs. Yeah, I know. Nice. Look at this kitchen, mga katrobs. You have your table over there, kitchen here. I like it. The backyard is over here. That's the garage. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go check it out. The backyard, mga katrobs. You have a small lawn here. See? Oh, you can put a gym over here. But you can put the car here. 2 cars. Gym right here. Nice. So nice, mga katrobs. Yeah. Ito yung labasan, mga katrobs. Tingnan yung gaano kalupit ito. Puro crystallized talaga. Oh. Open the door. Ah, it's closed. Oh, galing. Oh. Oh, tapos ito yung taas. Come on. Ay, sorry. Ilagay ko. Ito yung taas, mga katrops. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Pasok kayo sa bahay namin. Yeah, malupit talaga ito, mga katrops. 885 pa naman yung price. Tingnan mo naman. Wow, look at this. Look. Look, wow. Oh, ito yung dryer, tsaka washing. Look at this, massive. It's like, what is this, Marley? A bonus room? No, I think it's a living room. Wow. Tsaka ito makikita mo, mga katrops, so pag binili mo tong bahay, ito ay nanonood ng TV. Tapos ito yung sa labas ng window nyo. Ayan yung legacy part, mga katrops. Tsaka, ito naman yung, what's this? Oh, master bedroom, I think. Yeah, it's a master bedroom.
No, it's
No?
not.
Oh, look at this.
Hey, this is the bonus room.
Yeah, bonus room.
No,
Okay.
this is the bonus room, and this is the bedroom.
Yeah, come on, let's go check it out the other side. This way, Dave. Oh, there's another washroom over here. So nice. Where's Kidlat?
And then this is bedroom number 2, and this is the...
Oh, bedroom number 2. Check it out. Oh, wow, I like it.
For me!
Yeah, for you again.
Look, I buy toys.
No, don't touch it. So nice. I like it. Oh, this is the master bedroom. Look at this. Look, the master bedroom is so master. May mayroon pang upuan dito. At saka ito yung bed. Oh my God, look at guys. See? Look at this. I like it. Tingnan mo yung yung washroom nyo, mga katrops, ha? Oh, ito yung bedroom. Tapos ito yung washroom. Ang lupit. Oh, nice, so nice, mga katrops. Hey, be careful, don't go there. I like it here. Maliwalas talaga tong bahay na to, mga katrops. So, tingnan mo naman. Oh, ang galing. Kasi ito yung closet nila, mga katrops. So, ang lupit dito, oh. Let's open the lights. Para na itong isang kwarto, oh. Ang laki talaga ng closet nito mga katrops, oh. Mga galing to. Yan. Oh, the jumping. Do you like it here, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love this house.
I love this house. Oh my goodness. Ayan mga katrops, nakita niyo yung 885,000 na bahay. Tingnan mo, ito, yung master bedroom. Ito yung bedroom na isa, pang bata. At doon yung isa na may kasama pang parang living room. Ayun, oh. Tapos ito yung isang room pa. Diba ang lupit? Lupit itong 885 na bahay. Ayun, come on, let's go. At ang pangalan pala ng bahay nito mga katrops ay Daliam. So hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Daliam House na ang price ay 885,000 Canadian dollars. Stay tuned and rock and roll and see you to the next one. Okay.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe.
Rock and roll!